Hello. This is Daniel Shu, for CS50, the final project. I'm inside Berwyn, Pennsylvania, United States of America. And this is my final project. This is a scratch-based platformer. Whatchamacallit, use W, A, and D to move and stuff like that. I'm gonna explain more on that later. I didn't know if Scratch was allowed, but I just decided to take a chance at it because I also have to teach my teach a club that I'm a part of at school how to use Scratch. So I felt like this would be a good way to learn Scratch while also finishing CS50. Two birds with one stone. Anyways, let's get started. Use W, A, and D to move. W to go forward, A to go backwards. Or wait, W to jump actually, D to go forwards, A to go backwards. If you jump on the black, there's like it's kind of used as a platform. You can use text creatively, kind of, or like I don't know how creative that is, to as a platform. Then the red, if you jump while inside of it, it'll give you a big jump boost. So right now I'm not, I'm just going up once. But if I jump while inside the red, I'll be able to get more height. So I can use this to get to that platform. If you touch the green stuff, you'll get reset to the original starting position. So even text will set you back. Um, oh, okay, I got that over that first try. Yeah. So this is, I believe, the final level. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I didn't know how many levels to make, so Oh yeah, touching the blue stuff gets you to the next level. Um, yeah, that's my project.